ఎందరో మహానుభావులు అందరికీ వందనములు. Today, let's talk about the beautiful song Shri Ganapatini. This song is from Tyagaraja's Prahlada Bhakti Vijayamu, one of his two celebrated operas, the other being Nauka Charitram. It serves as an invocation to Ganapati in keeping with the time-honored Hindu tradition of seeking Lord Ganapati's blessings at the commencement of any auspicious undertaking or performance. He is revered as the remover of obstacles and the guardian of success. As this piece opens a dramatic work, Tyagaraja vividly envisions Ganapati arriving with divine grace and in a dance, sanctifying the space with his presence. Given that the opera centers around devotion to Lord Vishnu, Tyagaraja subtly weaves this theme into the invocation, referring to Ganapati as the devotee of Vishnu with the line, Anayamu Haricharana Yugamulanu Hridayambujamuna Nunchi. From the lotus of his heart, he contemplates the feet of Hari. Let us now explore the song. Pallavi. Shri Ganapatini Sevimparare Shritamanavullara Sevimparare. Let us take each word or few words at a time and see the meaning. Shri, wealth. Ganapatini. Ganapati means the leader of the Ganas. That Ganapati. Sevimparare. Come, let us worship. Shritamanavullara. O humans who seek his refuge. The overall meaning would be, let us worship Ganapati, the leader of the Ganas, who bestows wealth. O humans who seek his refuge, come, let us worship him together. Anupallavi. Vagadhipadi supujala chekoni baga natimpuchunu vedalina. Let's take each word at a time and check its meaning. Vagadhipadi. This word contains few words. Vak, Adhipa, Adi. Vaghadipa means the Lord of speech, that is Brahma. Adi means etc. So, Vagadhipadi means Lord of the speech, that is Brahma, along with other gods. Supujala, noble worship. Supujala, noble worship. Chekoni, having received. Baga, beautifully. Natimpuchunu. This word is derived from the root word nat, meaning to dance. Natimpuchunu means dancing. Vedalina, set forth. So the overall meaning of this Anupallavi would be, Ganapati, having been nobly worshipped by the Lord of speech, Brahma, along with the other gods, set forth dancing beautifully. To that Ganapati, let us worship. The part of the Charanam we will see now. Panasanarikeladi Jambu Phalamularaginchi Ghanatarambuganu Mahipai Padamulu Ghallu Ghalluna Nunchi Anayamu Haricharana Yugamulanu Hridayambujamuna Nunchi. Let's explore each word or few words now. Panasa narikeeladi jambu phalamula. Fruits like jackfruit, coconut and jambu. Araginchi, having partaken. Ghanatarambuganu, in a greater manner. Mahipai, onto the earth. Padamulu, feet. Ghallu ghalluna nunchi, steps with resonant ghallu ghallu rhythms. Anayamu, always. Haricharana yugamulanu, the feet of Vishnu, the feet of Hari. Hridayambujamuna nunchi, enshrined in the lotus of his heart. Ambuja means lotus. The rest of the charanam. Vinayamunanu Tyagaraja Vinutudu Vividha Gatula Dhittalangumani Vedalina. Let's take words. Vinayamunanu, rightly, fittingly. Tyagaraja Vinutudu, praised by Tyagaraja. Vividha Gatula, diverse graceful guides. Dhittalangumani, Dhittalangu beats. Vedalina, approaching. The overall meaning of the charanam. Ganapati, who, having partaken of fruits like jackfruit, coconut and jambu, steps onto the earth with resonant ghallu ghallu rhythms of his feet, who always keeps the feet of Vishnu enshrined in the lotus of his heart, who is prized with fitting devotion by Tyagaraja, who approaches rhythmically with Dhittalangu beats and diverse graceful gaits. Let us behold and worship that Ganapati. Thank you for listening to me. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know below. Yours truly, Sumalata.